Hello, today we are unpacking the ultra-portable Riptide speaker from NUU Mobile. This Bluetooth speaker is shock and sand resistant and can be submerged in 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. The lightweight Riptide speaker comes with a power cord, mini carabiner, an aux cord, and manual. The speaker is compatible with any 1/4 inch mount, and the mini carabiner connects to a small rubber loop on the back of the speaker, so you can easily hang it wherever you'd like. To charge or to use with an auxiliary cord, just pop open the water sealed port on the back, connect, and you are good to go. You can enjoy up to 6 hours of music on just one charge. And there you have it, the ultra portable Riptide speaker from NUU Mobile.